All right, y'all, we are back with another video, and here we go again. It's been a minute on corrupt Fani Willis. You know, this woman is just so freaking corrupt. She thinks she run all of Georgia just because she got a spineless judge that was scared to do his freaking job and remove this woman for lying under oath. She told Terrence Bradley what he better do and what he better not do. And she did not get called out for it. So this spineless judge gave her the opportunity to either remove herself and her office or Nathan Wade. And that right there was just crazy because we all knew what Fani Willis was going to do. We knew she wasn't going to remove herself. Re-election coming up. She wants to be re-elected. This judge wanted to be re-elected, so he was scared to do his job. So that right there brings us on to this one right here. And this is the reason why I feel like Fani Willis stole $500,000 from Nathan Wade's wife. Because remember, Nathan Wade is in really, really big trouble because he cannot pay his child support. He told his son and his daughter that he wasn't giving them any money, said that you need to go ask your mom. And his wife, Jocelyn Wade, she ain't playing around because she said she want him in jail. And they come to find out, she's saying that he got about $500,000 in the bank, but he don't want to use that money to help her and the kids. Because, you know, she dealing with like health situations and all of that, and he do not want to help her. And this is just crazy. So let's go ahead and dive straight into this article. Make sure y'all please hit that like button. The more you hit that like button, YouTube will share it. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and shout out to the one that always watches to the very end. I really appreciate everybody that watched the entire video. Appreciate all of you for that. And like I said, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So as y'all can see, the headline right here say, Nathan Wade's estranged wife say he has nearly $500K despite claim ex-Trump prosecutor could no longer pay alimony. Because remember, he's supposed to have been paying child support. He promised to pay child support, give her money, help her out with the kids and all that. And then all of a sudden, when he got forced to remove from being a prosecutor, now he's saying he can no longer give her anything. He can't help his kids. So now come to find out, he got some money in the bank but don't want to use it. And this is all on Fani Willis because she caused all of this crap that is going on in this man's life. She just straight destroyed this man's family. Now he facing jail time because of her. So right here say, former Donald Trump prosecutor Nathan Wade has nearly $500,000 in the bank despite claiming he can't pay spousal support since losing his job, new court documents allege. In a motion filed in Wade's divorce case, estranged wife Jocelyn Wade asserts monies totaling at least $495,000 were deposited into Wade's trust account during 2022 and 2023. In the documents obtained by the Post, Jocelyn Wade alleges the funds have not in totally been moved to his operating account, suggesting accumulation rather than reliance of these funds. Wade forced to step down as special prosecutor in the Georgia case following the revelation of his affair with District Attorney Fani Willis. Previously claimed losing the prosecutor job meant he had no income and he could no longer pay the amount agreed to the January in Jocelyn, an agreement he only made after his relationship with Willis was exposed. So he's pretty much been lying, saying he ain't got no money, he can't help her, just a whole bunch of lies. And like I said before, this right here has a lot to do with Fani Willis. Because remember, all the money he said he so-called said he had, they spent when like on them lavish trips, all them trips, they went on by 6 or 7 trips. So instead of him helping his kids, he was helping Fani Willis. Fani Willis was paying him money, and she pretty much was getting that same money back. Now, this man is in legal trouble with his wife and stuff and facing jail time because of the crap that Fani Willis did. And Judge McAfee is not happy about this at all. Then it said, with the income from Wade's employment as the special prosecutor no longer coming in and with income from his private practice being diminished, he's no longer able to meet the financial obligations set forth in the temporary order Wade's divorce lawyer M. Scott Kimbrough wrote in papers filed last week. But Jocelyn legal's team isn't buying it. See, he trying to say he ain't got no money, but Jocelyn and her legal team was like, no, you is not finna get out of this, because the woman said she has, his wife said she has health problems. She really, really need help. The kids are trying to be trying to do sports. And now he just, every time they ask him for money, he's saying, go ask your mama. Don't ask me for nothing. But yet he had money when it was time to go on them trips with Fani Willis. So I'm saying, so now he put his own self in this situation. So it's going to be hard for you to get up out of this, Nathan Wade. But that does bring me back to Fani Willis is the cause for all of this. She should never mess with that man in the first place. She's been messing with that man for a long time, destroyed his family. Now his wife and him was on bad terms. They got a divorce. He act like he don't want nothing to do with the kids, don't want to help them. And Fani Willis is going to sit up there on CNN and talk about, well, all she did was just sleep with a black man. No, you slept with a man that was already taken. You slept with a married man. See, she didn't say any of that. That's why this woman should have been gone. She should have been off this case. This shouldn't even be a case. All of this crap is just election interference, and we all know it. We all know this is election interference. Just crazy. But it's a plaintiff indicated a substantial income from private practice in 2022 and 2023. Her attorneys wrote, moreover, plaintiff testifies to receiving cash payments from private practice clients. Plaintiff possesses more than adequate means to meet his obligation. Jocelyn's attorneys also pointed out how by his own court admission, Wade claimed his income was 60% from working on the Trump case and at 40% from private law practice. They asked the court to deny his motion to modify the alimony and to hit him with legal fees. Boy, I'm telling you, Nathan Wade is trying to find, for some reason, he know he has the money, but for some reason, he don't want to give his wife and kids nothing. This right here is ridiculous. This man deserves to be in jail. You don't even want to help your kids. They trying to do sports. I think he said his daughter had her own house. She need help with her rent. And they call you and you say, go ask your mama, don't ask me for nothing. But you had everything for Fani Willis. But this is what happens. This is Nathan Wade's fault, because you let somebody like Fani Willis, who didn't care nothing about you, and now she done destroyed your family. Now she is in all kind of legal trouble and stuff right now. And Judge McAfee is pissed off at this woman per reports. This is crazy. But look at this part right here. Wade earned $250 an hour for prosecuting the case against Trump and more than a dozen co-defendants. He was hired by Willis in her office role at the Fulton County District Attorney Office in 2021. Although they denied being lovers by that time, witnesses have previously testified that romance had already begun. During the investigation into Wade's affairs with Willis, it was revealed he earned more than $700,000 while working for the DA. While working on the case, he spent thousands on lavish trips for himself and Willis to the Caribbean and Central America. So you telling me a man who earned more than $700,000 don't have anything to help his wife and kids with? There's a lie somewhere. That's the reason why Jocelyn Wade and like her attorneys and stuff, they ain't falling for this crap, because they know that he's trying to find a way out to keep from getting them money. That's exactly what he's trying to do. And Jocelyn Wade is not falling for it. The woman said she only have like under $1,000 to her name. She needs help, and she is not finna let Nathan Wade just get away with not paying anything and lying about he ain't got no money. When you'd have made over $700,000, but all of a sudden, as soon as you get dropped from the Trump case, all of a sudden now you just went slap broke. We know you got savings. We seen it. So the man had over $500,000 and don't want to give his wife and kids nothing. That's a man that deserves to be in jail. And Fani Willis need to be right in there with him, because she stirred all of this up. And to this day, she's still denying it. Tried to get that man wife locked up. And Nathan Wade's wife is she had a reason to be mad. You slept with her husband. Y'all went on these lavish trips. Y'all lied about it. Remember, Nathan Wade wouldn't even tell his wife how much income he was getting. She was asking him about his income, and he wouldn't even tell her. So he's been hiding stuff from her the entire time. Boy. But it say right here, Wade and Willis became national news in January when Trump co-defendant Mike Roman disclosed their romantic relationship in court papers. Roman asked Willis be removed from the case over the alleged wrongdoing. Fulton County Judge Scott McAfee ruled even the appearance of misconduct by Wade and Willis has enough to necessitate that one of them should step down. Wade resigned as special prosecutor on the same day as McAfee's decision, while Willis remains in her post. After the ruling, Jocelyn subpoenaed Willis in the divorce case, hoping to prove her estranged husband lavish spending, all the while claiming indignity. Wade and his wife reached a temporary settlement weeks later before Willis had to testify. Although Willis remains on the case, attorneys for Trump and co-defendants have made repeated appeals to have her thrown off it. And there you go right there, because like I said before, man, Fani Willis, she's in big trouble, man. She is in big trouble. She got everything to do with this. This man is walking on eggshells right now. All type of legal fees. Why? Because of Fani Willis. Which, you know, they both had something to do with it. They both went on these trips. And then, of course, Fani Willis' friend told everything, said that they been talking. They been sleeping together. And they lied about it. So it was just stuff like this that really got me. It's like, they both lied under oath, and this judge just let them walk scot-free because he was up for re-election. He just let them walk free. That is just insane. It's like nowadays you can't get fair judges. You can't find any fair judges anywhere. Only fair judge, it seems like so far, is Judge Eileen Cannon out of Florida. She seems like the only fair judge that's cutting it down the middle, and it's the reason why Jack Smith is pissed off, because he looking for a Judge Goran, a Judge Mershon. He looking for those crooked judges that'll help him with this case. That's what he's looking for. So this right here is just crazy to me. But Fani Willis is definitely in deep trouble. Judge McAfee is not happy about this per reports. This is crazy. So y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this. Shout out to the ones that watched the entire video. Appreciate all of you. Like I said, once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.